Hello, I'm Jessica Ryan Keeney. I am the Department of Child Support Services attorney for two small Northern California counties. What I'm about to say here today is not legal advice. It is for educational purposes only. Always seek the advice of an attorney who can answer your questions specific to your case. We cannot and will not do that on this channel. Go ahead, like the video, ding the bell, subscribe, make sure that you get notifications when we upload new content. We sure appreciate you being here. I've been a family law attorney since December of 2009, and while I was in law school, I worked for a family law attorney as his legal assistant. So today's question is, why would the Department of Child Support seek a $0 order against the non-custodial parent or the parent paying support, and what is a need-based grant? So we used to call the parent paying support the non-custodial parent, and you may still hear that term, but we're now calling that party the parent paying support. And so we may ask that the court modify a support order to $0 per month, so that the parent paying support is paying $0 per month if they have a proven disability, which basically means that they have a disability verification filled out by a doctor and signed on file with the Department of Child Support Services. They're receiving a need-based grant, which basically means they're aided, which means they're receiving public assistance. So they may be receiving CalWORKs or what's otherwise known as welfare. Or we may ask for it because they will be incarcerated for more than 90 days. And what is a need-based grant? Well, that's public assistance, or you may hear us call the party who's receiving a need-based grant aided, and it's what's commonly referred to as welfare. So thank you for that question. Again, that answer was not legal advice. Please feel free to put more questions in the comments below. The answers won't be legal advice, and we don't guarantee that we'll answer them, but they do often make for good video content. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe, ding the bell, and thank you for joining us today.